So I'm here to try 4 pieces that came in. This one here, it's actually been, so with some preserves you have to prepay. So this one's been prepaid. It's a 22S. So spring and summer, but it does feel pretty heavy. I don't know, we'll see the fabric. I'm not a fan of heavy fabrics. This is quite old. I saw it when I was leaving last time. I think it's really cool. This is a 21K. So again, it's got some, it's been around for a little while, but I think it's pretty cute. So we'll give it a try. This one here, I already have this top in a size 36, but I think I may need a 38. So I'm gonna try this. And then this, my wonderful sales associate probably left here for me to try, thinking I might like them, and that does happen sometimes. I'm like, no, I don't want that, and then I try it and it's really cute. So the other piece is this skirt, which feels fantastic. It is a little thicker knit, which again is not my, I think it adds weight to the hips, and it's not my favorite, but I'm gonna give it a shot and see. So I'll let you know how it goes. So this 38 is definitely better for me. It's a little loose around the neckline, but it feels better under the arms. The 36 skirt, it's pretty tight. So I might try for a 38, but it looks good. There's a nice shape to it. But I do think maybe I need to go up a size. So we'll see. But it looks better on than I had thought, which is really nice. And the color's super pretty. So this is the jumpsuit that came out. So you can see how it flares in the back. So they removed some of the sexiness, but they definitely kept some of the sort of classy look. And it is thicker fabric than I had hoped for, but it's a pretty cool kind of printed denim. See if I can get in close and you can see. It looks like denim, doesn't feel like denim, it looks like denim. And it does have little pockets here. It is very, very big on the strap. So the tailor's gonna come in and see what we could do about that. So obviously that's not gonna work. So it is running a little tight to me in the waist. It pulls a little bit here, but the next size up is gonna be quite big. So I'm gonna get this one tailored and go from there. So obviously not together here, but so you can see the 21K, I believe, tweed jacket. It's super cute. I think it's one that would be very easy to just kind of toss in the suitcase and wear with lots and lots of things. It is a little bit bulky, in my opinion, on the side, so I think it needs to be tailored here. And then it's very tight underneath the arms, but I do tend to have that problem in general. So you can see the back, again, you can see how it pulls. It's kind of uncomfortable there, and then it pulls here. So we'll see. I'm not so sure about this one.